Hi there. If you're in your 50s, 60s, 70s, beyond, I just finished a 5-part series you might be interested in, or even if you are the adult kid of someone of those ages. And it's about selling property when you have a will and when the time period for a will has expired, and or you don't have a will and you need to sell property and there are missing heirs. So I've covered just a plethora of information that I've learned over my 4.5 decades in real estate. And I am Karen Hayes with eXp Realty. I am selling real estate now, and I'm also a licensed escrow officer. I've primarily been in the title business for the majority of my career. I've flipped houses, sold real estate, worked with buyers and sellers by the thousands now in Texas. And there is a lot of information that I could give you regarding wills, no wills, and selling property. I've touched on it in a 5-part series on my YouTube channel, and I hope you'll get a chance to watch some of that. Mainly, it gives you information and just enough so that you start thinking about what are you going to do if you're in that situation and you become, and I can tell you from my own personal experience, the family member that gets the joy of handling an estate transaction, and you don't have all the facts and you don't have the information that you need to get the property sold quickly. Sometimes it does take time, but there's really not a situation that can't be resolved. Sometimes you just have to wait a while, and it takes a lot of work, and I'm hoping that maybe you can see some information through my video that you can start to put together some information that'll help you if and when that time comes in your life. And if you don't have a will, I would recommend start there or encourage someone you know. I know it's a really, really hard thing to talk about. Nobody wants to talk about it, but let's face it, you know, I'm in my 60s, and if you are also going into even your 70s, this is something we need to get serious about, because our kids, if you do have kids, they don't want to deal with this stuff. So go ahead, when you get a chance, jump on my YouTube channel. It's on my real estate channel. It's also on my 50+ channel for women, my 50+ channel for real estate, so that I'm helping people just like you take care of these issues, learn what needs to happen, deal with the issues, the facts, so that you're not waiting around trying to sell property for months and sometimes years.